Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add the Binance widget on your mobile phone. Step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you want to track crypto prices, monitor your portfolio, or access Binance faster, this quick guide will make it super easy for you. So make sure to watch till the end to set up your widget perfectly. First is download the Binance app to your mobile devices. Next is hold any empty space in your phone and click the widget. Scroll down until you find the Binance. Tap on it and you will see any widget style. Choose your preferred once and drag it onto your home screen. And that's it. You've successfully added the Binance widget on your mobile device. Now you can stay updated with your crypto stats right from your home screen. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more 2025 crypto tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.